Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how you can get the Hulu app on your Hisense Smart TV. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or catching up on the latest movies, having Hulu on your TV makes entertainment a breeze. Stick around as we walk you through the steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. First things first, make sure your Hisense Smart TV is compatible with the Hulu app. Most newer models support it, but it's always good to double check. Step 2. Access the App Store. Next, grab your remote and navigate to the home screen of your Hisense TV. Look for the App Store icon. It might be labeled as Apps or something similar. Step 3. Search for Hulu. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to look for Hulu. It should pop up in the results. Step 4. Install Hulu. Click on the Hulu app icon, and you'll see an option to install it. Hit install and wait a moment for the app to download and install on your TV. Step 5. Sign in and enjoy. Once the installation is complete, open the Hulu app. If you already have an account, sign in with your credentials. If not, you can sign up right on your TV screen. Conclusion. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy all your favorite Hulu content right from your Hisense Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.